Hey guys, Miss McKenna here. I'm going to give you a few instructions for April 12th, which is the day that I'm gone on a field trip and you guys have a sub. So whether you're in first block or in second block, which you can see is right here, you guys are going to do the things on the right hand side over here. The first thing you need to do is finish up the loneliness and friendship assignment. If you did not get it finished on Wednesday, you need to get that turned in. The next thing you're going to do is take the Of Mice and Men chapters 1 and 2 quiz. Just a few questions, multiple choice about the reading. The next thing you're going to do is start reading chapter 3. It's pretty cool that I have what I have done here, and that is if you go into our unit, Modernism E Unit 5, and scroll to the bottom. For you guys, it's probably quicker. There's not much stuff open. If you go into chapter 3, you will see that there's an audiobook right here. So you can listen to it as you read along, and then you're going to fill out the chart that, as you know, is found in, I believe, chapter 1. So if you go to chapter 1 and you look at the characterization chart, you're going to want to fill out the chart, especially for, or at least for, Crooks. Crooks is a character you're going to meet in chapter 3. Right now, we don't have anything recorded for him on the chart, as you can see right, excuse me, right here. So you do want to enter that. Plus, there's also a couple of pretty significant scenes that you're going to need to enter into that chart. Don't want to give them away, but I think you'll notice what they are when you get to them. The next thing you're going to do, and the final thing you're going to do today, is this found poem. So if you go back to that right-hand side, you'll see the found poems right here. Click on that. All your instructions are here. You'll submit it to this assignment up here, and then you're going to record it real quick. It'll take you all of 10 seconds. Do that recording, upload it here. Now, the thing is, yes, I want you to be working on it, and yes, I think you should spend your time doing it, because if you don't, you probably won't do it over the weekend. But realistically, I'm not going to check for this stuff until I get back next week. So if you get it in before we have class on Monday, it'll be all good. Okie doke. Have a great Thursday. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.